Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a diffuser necklace. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you aren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need. Your favorite essential oil, a wire cage pendant, a small pom-pom, and elastic string. Step 1. Pop your pom-pom into the wire cage. Step 2. Thread your elastic string through the top part of the pendant. Step 3. Apply your essential oils to your pom-pom. Step 4. Put it on. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We will be making thumbprint magnets. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.